Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a delightful red wine pasta sauce. Alright, first thing we gotta do, I got a little bit of oil in that pan, and we're going to cook up 1 pound of mild or sweet Italian sausage. Okay, then you want to add about a half a cup of red wine, and basically you're using this to deglaze the pan. And you want to simmer this till it's reduced by about half. Should take a couple of minutes. And after that step is done, you want to add 2 28-ounce cans of San Marzano tomatoes that you pureed up in a blender. Then you just want to stir all this around, make sure everything gets incorporated, and leave it on the stove for 2 minutes or so before we start adding any of the other crap. Okay, pasta is ready to go, and it's time to add all the other goodness. So you want a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of basil, and a half a teaspoon of thyme, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste. And then you just want to kind of stir it around, and then you want to low simmer this for roughly 40 minutes. Again, good pasta sauces take time. You also want to add in a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar to this, and a couple of bay leaves. Basically wait until everything else is incorporated, then add the bay leaves. You just want them sitting on top. And then, like I said, you want to simmer this for about 40 minutes. Also, don't forget to add the meat back in fairly early on in the cooking process, within the first 10 minutes. Again, you want everything to marinate together, so, again. Now it's just simply a matter of, once again, simmering for about 40 minutes. Okay. At about the 30-35 minute mark, time to fish out the 2 bay leaves, because nobody wants to eat them. So, and yeah, you should be getting a great big pot of water up to the boil to start our bucatini. Again, make sure you cook it 1 minute less than the package directions. I don't know how the hell it took me so long to find this second goddamn bay leaf. And there we go. All right, so again, start the pasta water. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, our sauce is done. Looks delicious, doesn't it? And add our bucatini straight into the pasta sauce. Bucatini is a little bit thicker than spaghetti. Well, actually, a lot thicker than spaghetti. But I love it because I love that little hole in the center of the noodle where, sauce just likes to seep in and everything. Like I said, if you can find it, it might be a little bit more expensive, but I love bucatini. So you just basically want to swirl this around till everything is nice and mixed together. Okay, and basically you just want to add a little bit of that to our plate. And then you want to top it off with a couple more ladlefuls of our red wine pasta sauce. And that's pretty much it. So that's a red wine pasta sauce with bucatini. Done.